Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the December card kit. The card kit comes out every other month. Along with your kit, you'll receive recipes for 6 cards so you can create right along with the design team. Our collection this month is Kaiser Craft Flower Shop. So it's a beautiful collection. We have kind of the brown and gray tones, wood grain. It's pinks, blues, and kind of a minty green. We have lots of sayings that are perfect for just general everyday cards and happy day or happy birthday. Things that, sentiments that you need cards all year long. So this is a perfect card kit to pick up. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you everything up close. You're going to receive 6 card bases and envelopes, and these are really, really heavy card bases. They're not thin and flimsy or anything, so they're going to hold up really well. Make beautiful cards. You're going to receive some cardstock, so you're going to get 2 sheets of white, a sheet of craft, and a sheet of lily pod cardstock. These are 8.5 by 11, so you can cut these in half and make more card bases because you have plenty of product to make more cards, or you can use them to decorate your card fronts, all kinds of possibilities. For the paper this month, like I said earlier, it's Kaiser Craft Flower Shop. It's a beautiful collection. So you're going to receive half a pack of the paper pad, and these are 6.5 inch papers. So we have this one that has all of the strips. It kind of looks like a barnwood covered with paper. Just gorgeous. This one that's a lot of fun that has the windows and the butterflies. A polka dot, and this one is embossed. Hopefully that will show up on the camera. So there is some embossing on these papers. A blue and white checked. Blue with the little pink florals, just super soft. This one is embossed as well, and it's that minty green with little floral bouquets. I have another one with windows that's on a smaller scale. Little tiny pink flowers. A wood grain, love the wood grain, and a pink script. And this one that looks like doilies. It's kind of a gray. It has a pink cast to it as well. And then the borders here, and they're embossed. So this would be a lot of fun. You could cut these into strips and put these on your card fronts. A green polka dot. Another floral. This one's just a little bit bigger print. And a blue embossed pattern. And then these last ones are perfect for fussy cutting and doing embellishments. So you have a whole sheet of these beautiful butterflies that have embossing as well. And then this one that has windows and the little fences, a bicycle. So these you could fussy cut out for more embellishments. Another one here with a little bit larger icons. So that's a look at the paper pad. For your embellishments, this month, you're going to receive a stamp set, so this coordinates with the collection. There's this doily border that's just gorgeous, a couple of sentiments, and then flowers. So you can do all kinds of decorating with that. You're going to receive 2 feet of lawn fawn twine, and it's going to either be this pink or it will be green. So those will vary in the kits. And you're going to get some enamel dots. These are from Echo Park, but they're in that darker pink. And then you're going to receive half a pack of the die cuts. So this is where all the fun's at. So we have some borders. Now, of course, these will vary among the kits, but they should have similar items. So I have some longer borders and some short ones. Lots and lots of phrases to put on the front of your cards. So there's everything from just because and birthday sentiments and just for you. May all your days be filled with sunshine. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. Live life in full bloom. So you can see there's lots of different variations of sayings for all types of cards that you need all throughout the year. So this is a beautiful kit to work up and keep cards on hand, especially right now. Well, everybody's kind of cooped up. It would be nice to receive cards in the mail. So that's December's card kit from Kaiser Craft Flower Shop. Be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog and check out all of the projects, the challenges. We have so much going on and so much inspiration, and it's such a fun group. So come on over and join us. Be sure to check out all the other kits available from the Scrap Room. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.